Welcome back. Let's do question 6b. If you calculate depreciation at 20% per annum using the reducing balance method. So it means you're using the formula A is equal to P 1 minus I to the power n. That is the reducing balance method. What will the value of your delivered truck be in 5 years' time? So we are finding the book value of the truck here, or the scrap value. What is the value of the truck after depreciation? If it depreciates at 20% per annum for 5 years, what will be the value of the truck? So our P is still the 450,000, and then our I is 0.2 because it's 20%, and then N is still 5 because our period here is 5 years. So N is 5. So it's going to be A is equal to 450,000, and then 1 minus 0.2 to the power 5. And then you can put this in the calculator. A is equal to 147,456 rands. So it means after 5 years, the truck will be worth 147,456 rand.